Hi, hello, welcome to my channel guys. So if you're watching thumbnail, I think you got the idea, right? So today's topic is networking guys. So we will try to cover all the basic concepts about the networking. So it will be very interesting. Watch this video till the end. So before starting, say me one thing. How many of you watched Stalin movie of the megastars? Just comment below guys. So you may think, what is the reason behind this networking and the Stalin movie? So don't worry guys. So in that movie, our hero, the megastar Chiranjeevi, he shows the network from the 1 people to 3 people, right? So as the same manner, networking is nothing but it connects a group of devices or the group of system. It's called network or the networking. That's it guys. So the main purpose of the network is to communicate each other or transfer data. So as they're communicating with you, right? So this is the one of the networking guys. So there are few types of the networking like LAN, WAN, etc. And the main part of the networking is wire networking and the wireless networking. We will start with the wire networking guys. So in this networking, most of the companies will be using wire networking only, because all the systems will connect to one LAN and they will communicate each other. So when we will talk about wireless networking, so as name itself says wireless, right? So here there will be no cable to communicate each other. So finally, this wire network or the wireless network, the work is to transfer the data. That's it. So while this transfer data, you will face 3 nodes. So before knowing 3 nodes, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel guys and add a like button and set your friends also. So there are 3 nodes, right? So 3 nodes are simple duplex, half duplex and full duplex. In simple duplex, the sender can send the data, but receiver can't send any kind of data to the sender. For example, you can say radio, right? And the second one, half duplex. So in this process, the sender and the receiver both can send the data, but sender should send first to this data, then receiver. Then receiver can send the data to sender. So in this process, the sender should send the data at first. And the last one comes full duplex. In this process, the sender and the receiver both can send data simultaneously. For example, this Facebook or Snapchat or Instagram, all the social medias are the full duplex only. Actually, this data will be sending through parts or the packets. Suppose you think you are sending a file of 10 MB to XYZ person. Then the 10 MB file will be converted into small things through TCP IP. And when this 10 MB file will be reaches to destination, it will be reassembled to 10 MB file and it will be reached safely. The small things is called packets. So I think you got an idea on the packets, right? So in this process, I have used a keyword TCP, right? So this TCP is nothing but it is an IP. So if you don't know about the IP address, so don't worry guys. So I have made a video on the IP. So just check it. I will provide link in the description box. So let's come to our basics of networking guys. So this networking depends on the area. Suppose we will see personal area network, that is our hotspot. So it will connect only in our surroundings, right? So and second one comes LAN, that is the local area network. It is mostly used in computer labs sectors to connect multiple systems. Third one comes WAN, that is the wide area network. So in this network, the multiple LANs will be connected. So just I want to say that according to the area, the network depends. That's it. The next concept comes and the last one is hubs and the routers. The hub and the routers will be looking as same, but the mechanism is different. So first we will go with the hub. So this hub work is to connect the network devices to one internal device. In this hub, you will see multiple ports to connect network devices. But in this hub, there is no privacy. For example, there is 4 ports like A, B, C, D. And if you want to send the data only B port, in this process, it can't be. Because while the sending the data to B port, it will be sending through all the remaining 3 ports. So there is no privacy, right? So in this case, the switch is came. So by using switch, you can send only one port which you want to send the data. Last one comes routers. So routers is nothing but it is a wireless connection and it provides a new IP address. So that's it guys. So this is the basic concepts of networking guys. I hope you understood. If you face any kind of problem, just comment below guys. I will rectify your problems. So I hope you like this video guys. So if you like this video, add a like button and share to your friends and family also. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. And finally, see you in the next video.